Dear listeners, education has always been considered the main source of human and societal development. But what does it truly mean to teach? Is education limited to the transmission of knowledge, formulas, and facts? Today, I want to talk about why it's important to develop your mind and educate the heart in harmony with each other. A person is not only a rational being, but also a spiritual one, who possesses a mind that helps us understand the world, solve problems, and make new discoveries. But at the same time, we have a heart, a symbol of feelings, kindness, and conscience. If only the mind is developed, it can become cold and indifferent. If only heart is educated without knowledge and critical thinking, it's easy to become naive and helpless. That's precisely why it's so important to strive between reason and soul. The mind gives us the power to think, analyze, and make plans. Thanks to it, we create technologies, write books, and make scientific discoveries. But knowledge should be accompanied by the upbringing of the heart, or it can become dangerous. History shows that many intelligent people without moral compasses are capable of using their knowledge for evil, for destruction, deception, and violence. The heart helps us feel the pain of others, rejoice in their success, and be honest and humane. It makes us true individuals, not just carriers of knowledge. But without the mind, heart cannot develop fully. Good intentions must be supported by rational action, otherwise they remain only dreams. Education is not just an accumulation of knowledge, it's a process of personality formation where mind and heart must go hand in hand. To educate the mind without nurturing the heart is to educate only half a person. True education is a harmony between reason and soul, which makes a person not only intelligent but also kind, which means he's truly educated. Thus, the harmony between mind and heart is the foundation of a fulfilling life. Only intelligent and kind persons are capable of benefiting the society, creating a happy destiny, and making the world a better place. By developing the mind, we open new horizons, and by educating the heart, we fill these horizons with life and warmth. Thank you for your attention.